How to learn English vocabulary fast. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to talk about something that every English learner wants: to learn English vocabulary fast. Have you ever learned a new word today and forgotten it tomorrow? Have you ever opened a vocabulary book, memorized 20 words, and then remembered only 2 or 3? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You're not alone. Almost every English learner faces this problem. The good news is that learning vocabulary doesn't have to be difficult. You don't need a perfect memory. You just need the right habits. Let's begin with the first tip. Don't learn words by themselves. Learn them in sentences. For example, instead of memorizing the word delicious, learn the sentence, "This cake is delicious." Instead of learning the word borrow, learn, "Can I borrow your pen?" When you learn words in real sentences, they become easier to remember because you know how to use them. The second tip is simple. Learn a few words every day. Some learners try to memorize 100 words in one day. That sounds impressive, but most of those words are forgotten very quickly. It is much better to learn 5 or 10 new words every day and remember them well. Small steps lead to big success. The third tip is to review your vocabulary often. Learning a word once is not enough. You need to see it again and again. Review yesterday's words. Review last week's words. Review last month's words. The more often you see a word, the longer you will remember it. The fourth tip is to read every day. Books, short stories, blogs, news articles, or simple English lessons are all helpful. When you see the same word in different sentences, you begin to understand it naturally. Reading also teaches you how native speakers use vocabulary in real life. Another great way to learn vocabulary is by listening. Listen to English podcasts. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to conversations. Watch movies or TV shows. When you hear the same words again and again, they become familiar. Soon you won't have to translate them in your mind. You'll understand them automatically. Here's another helpful idea. Keep a vocabulary notebook. Whenever you find a new word, write it down. But don't stop there. Write its meaning. Write an example sentence. And if possible, write your own sentence using that word. Writing helps your brain remember better. One thing many learners forget is to use the words they learn. Vocabulary grows when you use it. Speak with friends. Write short paragraphs. Talk to yourself in English. Even if you make mistakes, keep using your new words. Every time you use a word, it becomes stronger in your memory. Pictures can also help. If you learn the word apple, imagine a bright red apple. If you learn the word mountain, picture a tall mountain. Our brains often remember images better than long explanations. Another useful trick is to group words together. Instead of learning random words, learn words about one topic. For example, learn words about food. Bread, rice, vegetables, fruit, kitchen, recipe. When related words are connected, they are easier to remember. Don't try to understand every new word you see. Sometimes learners stop reading because they find one difficult word. Instead, guess the meaning from the sentence. Often, the surrounding words will help you understand. This is exactly how children learn their first language. One of my favorite tips is to make English part of your daily life. Change your phone to English. Read English signs. Watch English videos. Listen to English while walking or cooking. The more English you see and hear, the faster your vocabulary will grow. Remember, learning vocabulary is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some words stay in your memory immediately. Others take weeks before they become familiar. That's completely normal. The important thing is to stay consistent. Even 10 or 15 minutes of practice every day is better than studying for 3 hours once a month. One day you'll notice something amazing. You'll start understanding English without translating every word. You'll remember new words more easily. And speaking English will become much more comfortable. That's when you'll realize your vocabulary has grown. So let's quickly review the main ideas. Learn words in sentences. Study a few words every day. Review often. Read every day. Listen every day. Keep a vocabulary notebook. Use new words in speaking and writing. Learn words by topic. And most importantly, be patient and never give up. Every new word is another step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. How many new English words do you learn each week? Do you keep a vocabulary notebook? Which is easier for you, learning words by reading or by listening? What English word did you learn recently? And what is your biggest challenge when learning vocabulary? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Keep learning a little every day, enjoy the journey. And remember that every new word opens the door to new conversations and new opportunities. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.